Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Self Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. Today's video, y'all, is we're evicting products out today. So, like, product like these I really think these don't sell as much because I personally been having these and I've been not selling out. So I don't want to continue buying stuff they don't sell. That's just my preference. So I'm gonna clear those out. Here, um, I want to keep these, and I am, but I'm gonna give them a big old bath wash. Um, Give them a big old bath wash. And these little babies are going to be our new body butter jars. So they're still freshly new, but they're gonna have a special home too. Can y'all see? And these right here are at 8 ounces jars. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I don't know. And I don't want to take these down, but I don't know. Then here, let y'all kind of come and see. Oop, I don't see everything else, but then here is our lotion. So I'm gonna upgrade our lotion bottle for sure. Um, for right now, because I have so much game plans for like my new inventory. Um, but these will stay up in here as so. Um, I'm going to make sure I wash these out, so they're gonna get washed out. But for now, they're going back up in there because we're keeping these in our 8 ounces jars. It's nothing like to them to order to me going to Michael's to get 8 ounces jars because that's where I got those from. As far as this empty shelf right here, this is where our sugar scrub is going to come into. So that will be that. Um, our mystery bags will be gone. They will be gone. And for down here, for our shirts, as you can see, it's getting low stock on them. I will restock them. Is this not connected? Yo, this thing is not connected to this. Won't connect it. And here is our shirts too, as well as hoodies. I have hoodies right there. And then here's our self. I said self love. Here's our Oh my god, this shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Not, this is not good. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back when I fix it. All right, you guys, we're back. Um, I had, whew, I had to, I had to take stuff out of my organizer because my organizer is broken. I found out today. I'm really not mad over it. That could be an easy fix because my plan for reshaping my business room was to find a new thing. What is this? Oh, my sample jars. Okay, these are sample jars. All right, they just stay. We're doing a process elimination today. Things getting eliminated. So, gonna take y'all back over here. Ooh, my hand mixer. Take y'all back over here. Okay. As y'all can see, can y'all see? As y'all can see, I put the 8 ounces with my lotion because of how this thing is broken, and I put my camera just don't want to show you. I put I seen it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to hold it, and I put the 4 ounces in the new jars right there. Um, until I find me another organizer, y'all. This the hell? Until I find me another organizer. I don't know why I record a new video like that. What the hell? My camera doing a lot. I need to check this. So this is what I really need to check. What I need as far as shipping. Oh, why did I just do that? Why? 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 It's gonna be an easy fix. Just got everything back up. Just put them in there. Put them in there. Okay. No, I need a Ziploc bag for them. I need a Ziploc bag. Okay. This is what I really, really, really need to look at. So this is for my shirt. So this is shirt stuff. That's good. That is straight. This needs to go over there. Poly mailers for the fall. I want to order a little more designs. Oh, and these are my okay. So for this section right here, that's why the stand don't want to stand how I wanted to stand. Okay, there we go. So this is cool. This is fine. Now I know where I need to stand when it comes to shipping. I need now I know where to order accordingly. Okay. All right. So all my clothes stuff is good. It's just I need some more thank you stickers. I want some fragile stickers to match with the new aesthetic. I just love pink. I just want things to be pink. It's so cool. All right. I got to know where I need to stand with shipping now. So I don't know how this video gonna be, but y'all, thank you for coming on this journey with me. Thank you for being here, watching my YouTube, y'all. It means a lot. I am going to make this more easier for now on, but this is behind the scenes of inventory haul and behind the scenes of creating inventory. So yeah, stay tuned. You might see a different organizer here. I don't know yet what I have to build one, what I have to come pre-made. I'm super excited, but we're gonna do the process, okay? We're gonna do the process. But thank you guys, and if you like any more videos behind the scenes or any videos that I come up with, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.